Hi everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add clickable link to Facebook post in just a few simple steps. First, we need a link, so I'll get a link to one of my YouTube videos. For that, I'll open the YouTube app on my phone. To copy the video link, tap on the three dots on the right side of the video. Tap on Share. Then tap on Copy Link. Now I'll close YouTube and open the Facebook app. Tap on What's on your mind. Here, we need to write some text first. I've written the text now. Now we need to paste the link along with it. For that, long press. The Paste Link option appears. Tap on Paste. You can see the YouTube video link is now added. Now I'll remove the link. Tap on Post. And that's it. How to add clickable link to Facebook post. If this video helped, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quick tech tips. See you in the next video.